Want to earn passive income from YouTube without showing your face or using your voice? Imagine building a channel that works for you, even while you sleep, all from the comfort of your home. You can, thanks to AI. Artificial intelligence is changing the game for creators everywhere, making it easier than ever to get started. Forget expensive gear or being a charismatic host. You don't need a fancy studio, professional lighting, or even to appear on camera at all. AI lets you run a channel from your laptop. No camera needed. All you need is an internet connection and a bit of creativity. Today's AI tools handle everything, finding hot topics, writing scripts, generating voiceovers, and editing videos. They can even help you design thumbnails and optimize your titles for maximum reach. You become the strategist, guiding AI to create content people love. Your main job is to steer the ship and make creative decisions. This method is fast, scalable, and perfect for anyone. No special skills required. Whether you're a student, a busy parent, or just looking for a side hustle, it's accessible to all. Imagine launching a channel about history, finance, or even scary stories, all without being on camera. The possibilities are endless, and you can explore any niche you're passionate about. Once your system is set up, you can produce videos at lightning speed and grow your audience quickly. Consistency becomes effortless, and you can focus on scaling up. Ready to see how it works? Let's unlock the step-by-step process together. Let's walk through the step-by-step workflow to get your first video live in about an hour. You'll be amazed at how simple and streamlined the process can be. All you need is curiosity and a few simple AI tools. If you can follow instructions and experiment, you're already halfway there. Let's build your automated content machine and start your journey to passive YouTube income today. Great YouTube channels start with great ideas. But coming up with those ideas can be tough, especially when you want your content to stand out in a crowded space. That's where technology steps in to give you an edge. And AI can help you find them. With the right tools, you can uncover topics that are not only trending, but also have the potential to go viral. Tools like VidIQ and TubeBuddy reveal trending topics with high demand and low competition. These platforms analyze millions of videos and keywords so you can spot what's hot before everyone else jumps on it. Pick a niche, see what viewers want, and let the data guide your content. By focusing on what your audience is searching for, you increase your chances of getting noticed and building a loyal following. Next, use ChatGPT to write your script. This AI tool can help you organize your thoughts and turn rough ideas into polished narratives. Just give it a prompt like 5 habits to save money, and it'll generate a friendly, engaging script. You can experiment with different prompts to get the tone and style you want. Ask for a conversational tone, clear structure, and even placeholders for visuals. The more specific you are, the better your script will fit your channel's personality. Review the draft, tweak it for your style, and make sure it delivers real value. Don't be afraid to add your own insights or personal stories to make it unique. This AI-human combo means you can go from idea to finished script in under 20 minutes. It's a game changer for creators who want to work smarter, not harder. You're not just saving time, you're creating content designed to perform. With data-driven ideas and AI-powered scripts, your videos are set up for success from the start. With your script ready, you're set for the next step, bringing it to life with AI voices. Let's see how this powerful workflow can transform your content creation process. Now turn your script into a video. No mic or camera needed. AI voice generators like 11 Labs or Play HT create natural-sounding voiceovers in minutes. Choose a voice that fits your channel's vibe. Paste your script, adjust the tone, and download your audio. Next, use AI video tools like Pictory or InVideo. Upload your script and voiceover and the AI matches visuals and syncs everything automatically. You can swap clips, add text, and pick music, all with simple drag-and-drop tools. What once took hours now takes 20-30 minutes, even for beginners. You've just created a professional video, without ever stepping in front of a camera. Ready for the final polish? Let's make your video stand out and get noticed. Here's how. Your video's done, but will anyone click? That's the big question every creator faces. Even the best content can get lost if it doesn't stand out at first glance. That's where a killer thumbnail comes in. It's your video's first impression, and it needs to grab attention instantly. Use Canva's free templates to make bold, eye-catching thumbnails. No design skills needed. Experiment with different layouts and images until you find what pops. Keep text big, colors bright, and style consistent for brand recognition. Your audience should recognize your videos at a glance, even in a crowded feed. Study top channels in your niche and model what works. Notice which thumbnails and titles get the most clicks, and adapt those strategies for your own content. Upload your video with a clear, keyword-rich title. Think about what your audience is searching for, and make sure your title answers that need. Use ChatGPT to write an SEO-friendly description and add relevant tags. Tools like VidIQ can help. The right keywords boost your discoverability and help your video reach the right viewers. Consistency is key. Aim for a regular posting schedule, even if it's just once a week. Audiences love knowing when to expect new content, and YouTube rewards active channels. Batch-produce videos and schedule them to release automatically. This saves you time and keeps your channel active even during busy weeks. This keeps your channel active and growing, even when you're not online. You'll see steady progress as your library expands and your audience builds. You're not just a creator, you're running a streamlined content machine. With the right systems, you can focus on creativity while your channel works for you. Now let's talk about turning views into income. With your foundation set, you're ready to unlock the next level of YouTube success. Ready to earn? Join the YouTube Partner Program once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Use AI to repurpose long videos into shorts. These boost discoverability and attract new subscribers fast. As your channel grows, ad revenue starts to flow and you can add affiliate marketing or digital products for more income. Your Faceless channel becomes a real digital asset, an automated business running 24/7. You don't need fancy gear or a big budget, just the right AI tools and a smart workflow. Every step, from idea to upload, is streamlined for speed and growth. The tools are here, the path is clear. Start building your YouTube empire today.